it has been way too long, and I thought I would do a video to basically answer the question, where on earth have I been? And just give you a little bit of an update of what I'm up to next. So first of all, I'm so sorry that I've basically been MIA for the last 12 to 18 months. It's been a really crazy ride for me personally. But yeah, look, just to cut a very long story short, over the last 18 months, I've actually been going through some tough things. So it started off with some physical illness, so some thyroid issues, and it was making me really tired. I was just so fatigued. And I just couldn't do anything. I was just really tired all the time, and I really needed to take a time of rest. And then I ended up recovering from that, which was amazing, and I was about to get right back into stuff. And then I ended up, unfortunately, having some physical injuries to my foot and also my shoulder and my arm. And again, to cut a long story short, it ended up being pretty much a 12 months ordeal of going to doctors and physios and, whatever medical professions you can think of that you would think would be able to help me. And my condition just not getting better, getting worse, getting better, getting very worse again, and getting better, a little bit better. And, I wasn't, there was actually a period of time when I couldn't do very basic things. Like I couldn't even stand up or walk at some point, and because of my injury to my foot. And then it got a little bit better, but I could only manage walking for about 10 minutes before I would need to sit down because it would just be so painful. And then with my arm and my shoulder, there was a point in time when I couldn't do things like, mix something, so I couldn't cook, couldn't carry groceries, couldn't even write, text or type without immense pain. So I actually, it just really was a very tough year for me last year. Because of that, and I ended up, you see me now, and I'm very happy and bubbly and everything, and that is who I am, and I've always been that girl. But for the last 12 months, or I should say in 2017 particularly, I actually retreated into myself, and I struggled with anxiety. I struggled with even depression, I just really felt like a failure, and I really felt like, why is it that I've become the I can't girl? I can't do this, I can't do that. And me, I'm really active. I'm usually very energetic, and I want to do things and want to get out there in the world. So it was really tough for me. It just ended up being just really hard, and I couldn't handle, I guess, being in the social media world. I couldn't handle filming videos. I couldn't handle a lot of those sorts of things. And so I ended up, as you know, going a bit MIA, and didn't release any YouTube videos, haven't been on social media. I've only just started getting back into social media literally a few weeks ago, and I'm loving it, and it's great. So the good news is I am all fully recovered right now, and I'm doing really great. It's just been a crazy journey, and I'll probably tell you more as we go along, but I just wanted to let you know that that's what's going on. So I am in a great space now, and I'm actually on the verge of new beginnings and exploration of new things as well. I'm really excited to get back into the Songbird Tree and also the Vocal Revolution program. And I'm actually opening up, and this is really limited, but I am opening up 3 coaching spots for the first 3 people who email me expressing interest to want to study voice with me. So if you're that person, if you've been thinking for a while that you'd love to improve your voice, and you really need someone to help you along in that journey, and you don't want to just continue watching videos on YouTube and sort of trying to do the journey alone, then hey, I would love to help you. If you want to get to a point where you're just so frustrated with the vocal issues that you've got, and you just really want to nail it, and you want to get some professional help to really help you soar, then please send me an email. So my email is kerriho@thesongbirdtree.com. So I'll say that again, kerriho@ thesongbirdtree.com. So for the first 3 people all around the globe who inquire and book me in, that's all I'm offering, okay guys? So there's only 3 spots, so please do get on it as soon as possible. I would so love to journey with you and be the person to help you to really become the singer that you want to be. Other than that, I do have more videos coming up on the channel, so please do stay tuned. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you click on the subscribe button and so that you don't miss out on any of those videos. If you're not on my email list yet and you want to be the first to know when I actually release new videos, then make sure you head along to thesongbird.com and sign up for my email list as well. Other than that, I will be checking in again soon and giving you some more updates on some really exciting stuff that I'm actually working on. Really am excited to share that with you. But for now, if you are wanting to, improve your voice and you really want to accelerate your performance, then please email me at kerriho@thesongbirdtree.com to inquire about one-on-one vocal coaching lessons. I would love to help you. All right, I hope that you're doing great, Songbird, and that you're continuing to sing your heart out. I will see you again soon. And remember, we're going to have new videos soon, so keep your eyes peeled. All right, get grounded, take flight, and sing. Bye.